Ngempelasonto lesibuya kuyo lebe kuyimphelasonto yekusi bantfu babhalisele kuvotela lukhetfo lwabohulumende basemakhaya lolutako, bantfu lababonakala bagcoke imifaniswano ye-ANC babonakala babambana ngetihlupfu, nebantfu labe bagcoke imifaniswano ye-eFF. I-ANC ithi malunga e-EFF angena ngendlovu yangena ashaya emalunga ayo kulesiteshi sekuvota KwaDambuza ePietermaritzburg.
We are aware now that 2 of those members, not 3 of them, were admitted in hospital, and after coming out of hospital they've opened cases with the police. So hopefully the police will do their work.
If the ANC claims that they've opened cases of assault against our members, they are admitting that those hooligans who came to try and block the commander-in-chief and deny him access to those voting stations are actually their members.
We do not want to see in this province no-go areas where certain political parties are not allowed to access certain communities.
I-IEC ithi sitfolile sikhalo lesivela ku-EFF ngalolu dzaba.